How the hell does a programming language get more love than anything else out there? Like, I get it, it's brilliant, but a programming language, it's absolutely absurd. My goal for this video is to find out why is Rust so loved and is its love justified. Now the first thing I did was install Rust, and trust me, it took me over 15 minutes to be installed, and I missed JavaScript already. Although JS is different from Rust, as Rust is a system programming language. It provides memory safety and performance. In other words, it doesn't have Alzheimer's. Rust is praised for its innovative features such as traits and generics. Not to mention Microsoft and Amazon use Rust. But Rust is not a perfect language and it has some disadvantages that will make you reconsider using it in 2023. And obviously Rust is not one of those languages where you find a 5 minutes tutorial and the next 5 minutes you are an interview with Google. No language is, but particularly for Rust, I'm talking about a very steep learning curve. Rust is very hard to learn, especially for beginners or developers coming from other languages such as Python. Compared to other languages you could pick, Rust has a bunch of concepts and rules that you need to understand and follow. Also, Rust reminds me of that teacher I had in school who would reject my essay because I didn't put the date on it. It has a strict compiler that will reject your code if it does not comply with the rules. Anyways, let's try to write a Hello World program. Trust me, I know what I'm doing since I studied Rust for my bachelor's back in 2004. Now we need a main function, which looks familiar. That wasn't too hard to be fair. Now we just need to run the program, but Rust doesn't have a run button. To run your code, you have to open up the terminal, write Rust C, followed by the name of your file, main or S, and then it will generate 2 more files. Now to run the code, you have to write /main. That's fantastic, we just created a Hello World program. The only problem is Rust compile time sucks due to its borrow checker that performs many checks instead of running the damn code. Also, when using Rust, you gotta keep in mind the risk of memory leaks. So don't think too hard about it because Rust does provide memory safety by using the ownership and borrowing system. It's just that Rust has some features that can cause leaks such as lazy statics or global variables. The point of this video was to tell you about Rust and I've just about done that. So like the video if you thought I did a good job, and then I'll see you in the next video.